Hi, welcome to Nothing Bundt Cakes. Come on in. Hi, I'm Claire Jessen, Senior Director of Culinary Innovation at Nothing Bundt Cakes. My job is to create new flavors for our guests to enjoy across America and Canada with our 500 locations. Yes, we only offer Nothing Bundt Cakes, but we have a variety of sizes. The smallest would be Bundtinis, which we sell by the dozen. We also have Buntlets, which are great for an everyday treat for yourself or to share with a friend. And our bigger sizes would be an 8 and a 10-inch actual Bundt cake. And those are great for any celebration. My favorite flavors live in. However, chocolate chip and red velvet are our top 2 flavors. Throughout the year, we also offer a feature flavor, which changes seasonally. We also offer a variety of gifts as well as party supplies, in addition to handcrafted decorations for our 8 and 10-inch cakes, perfect for every celebration. Goodbye. Thanks a bunch.